Yo, yo, it's Tony D back. I've got the brown bag. We got to make an appearance. Boom, boom. They had a sale, so I've loaded up, man. This is going to be a quick shot at what I got. Met a guy named Barry. Dude, man, he was cool as all get out. We just talked and talked about comics, and it was all good, man. It was like, it's cool, man, you know, talking with comic book people. And there was some stuff we were like jiving on. Yeah, he's into the CGC thing. I gave him, you know, some pointers from my experience when I delved into it. But hopefully he's watching, and man, it was good to meet you, man. You're a cool dude. So there is a reason why I bought Absolute Wonder Woman 10. There's an appearance, and there's some spoilers here for Absolute Wonder Woman, but we see this figure. I wasn't sure. I thought it was a bad guy. What this is, it is an Amazon, and it's a first, oh man, what do you call it, guys? Help me out. Like cameo. It's not a full appearance of this character, but in 11 cover kills it, by the way. We get to see this the full appearance of this Amazon, and it's, you know, it's like, that's a key issue. So I went ahead and I doubled up on it, but that's why I bought that bad boy. There's a reason why I bought this one as well. Number 6, I believe this is a key as well. So I doubled up, and I'll tell you why I think that is I think Jay Garrick was mentioned by name, but you actually see him in this issue. I'll give you the deets. Yeah, right here. That's your guy. So hopefully, I don't know. It's cool to have a couple issues. You know the drill on all those. So let's get into the stuff I got. They're all $1. So what I do when things are like $1 like that, I get things from the 90s. Hardcore, big time. Force Works. I grabbed 1, 2, and 3. Totally killer artwork. T.A. Jenny, man. Like, this is really good artwork. That's why I got it. I've been wanting these for a while just because of the artwork aspect of it. And now I got them. Totally happy with that little pickup. And here is another one where I fill in holes, and that's Youngblood. Number 0. Don't have 0, so I was glad to pick that up for $1. You know, these buck sales are awesome. They don't have a real big dollar bin, so you could really find some cool stuff. I also bought some more Youngblood action. Strike File. Haven't read these. Didn't even know about them, but I mean, look at the cover. I had to get that. I'm not even sure who that is. Got the issue 1, got the 2. There's another 2 there. Liefeld did that one. That's Jolly, man. Yeah, no wonder it was familiar, but yeah, that's cool. Cool stuff from him. Totally had to get it. And this one looks like our boy Splat, Stephen Platt. He kills it. So grab that one there because of that. So them some good pickups. You know, me and Barry was talking about, man, sometimes it is just about the cover, and that's okay. Yeah, we were showing each other stuff. It was cool. New Men. This is a lot of people aren't going to know about the New Men, but this was one of the 90s influx of books. Filling in some issues here. I really enjoyed the New Men. Gosh, the first few issues of this, I can't believe I forgot the guy's name, but man, he is awesome. But I went ahead and I picked up those 2 as fillers because I gotta fill up my 90s collection. I found this right here, a number 5 Prophet, good condition. Stephen Platt for $1. Man, I can't pass that up. The dude is a great artist. All right, man, we'll get into a little bit of Marvel now. You know, Mark Spector, Moon Knight. I do not have this one. I pretty much collect all the Moon Knights I can get. I believe this is the second series. I have some really I'm reading I believe it's, gosh, I can't even think of the name. Man, your boy is not on his game today. Oh, I'll think of it later, but I'll throw it up. But yeah, I found these two bad boys. Tribe. Shout out to Matt at the comic shop. He gave me issue 1, did a review on it. So I found issue 2 and 3 sitting back there. So I went ahead and got them, man. Like Strowman, he's the man. He's a good artist. His artwork is kinetic, man. It is nothing but energy. Totally love it. This is one a lot of people are not going to be into. Razor, this is some outlaw comics. I love my outlaw comics. You know, the art is just raw. It's gritty. I love it. It's black and white. Like right here, man, that is just grit. Totally enjoy artwork like that. It can't always be perfect. Yeah, uncut, 16. These are all fillers, things I don't have. This is actually a good story too. You know, once you get past just looking at the art, but the story's pretty good too. I enjoy it. But you know what? Not everyone's gonna enjoy what your boy enjoys, but that's all right. I have a saying, and I was telling Barry about it. It's like what you love and love what you like, you know, and it just says it all. Just don't follow the crowd. Follow follow what you like, and you'll really enjoy the hobby a lot better. Under the Knife, The Punisher. Just saw this. Totally love that artwork. Man, that is like really, there's a lot of detail there. Like, look at the face. Stuff like that really stands out to me because it looks like it takes them like, and I'm sure it does, takes like a long time to render that. Boom, Uncanny X-Men 261. I just saw this. It's a Jim Lee cover. Man, I collect X-Men, and I don't think I have this one. I hope I don't, but that's all right. You know, that's a really great cover with Wolverine and just, you know, Jim Lee nailing it. So for $1, you got to get it. This is an odd one, and I'll tell you why. Firestorm. I was always into the Firestorm back in the 80s, and I have the other issue that goes with this. So I saw this back there, and I picked it up. And it's kind of funny, man. The Weasel. Came the Weasel out of this one. It's interesting that somebody with those type of powers is like battling like a weird monster, but I'll read it and find out. This was a pretty good pickup, I thought. X-Men Classics. Yeah, that was a total, they're kind of like retelling stories. And there's one X-Men, like when Wolverine dices up those 3 dudes, that was something I really wanted to have. And I wasn't sure if this is that issue or not. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll have to dig in there. But you know, I'm taking a chance. It's just $1. Some good stuff in there too, man. They had a bunch. I may go back tomorrow. But yeah, that reminded me of that. Cross my fingers. We'll see what's up. Found me some Barry Windsor Smith, man. I always love his stuff. I already have this one, but this one seemed like it was in better condition. Totally got on that one. Arthur Adams. Good stuff. More, oh yeah, that's Arthur Adams, and this is Barry Windsor Smith, I believe. Yeah. So I saw these 2 issues, went ahead and got them, man. Great artwork. I collect New Mutants, so I'll throw them in the collection. Here's an off-the-wall one, too. Little Punisher, Deathlock. This Deathlock series, it kicked off in the 90s. I followed some of it. I don't have these 2 issues. And anytime the Punisher's involved in some form or fashion, I totally like getting them. So I went ahead and I got these 2. Hopefully it's just 2 parts. I'm going to enjoy reading it for sure. This one right here, man, I just saw it and I thought, man, I'll just grab it. Like with Galactus being a big thing right now with the movie out. I haven't watched the movie, but you know, the origin of Galactus, totally curious as to what this is. I know a little bit about the origin, but it's a very interesting character and be a cool read. You know, it's another one of those off ones I'll have and put it in the collection. The Avengers, 281. You know, I saw this and I was like, I know this is a key for some reason. And it is not for very big reasons, but it's like there's two goddesses that are introduced into this, but I don't know. It's cool. She-Hulk fighting everybody. I like stuff like that. No Cap throwing his shield. I think Buscema he did the pencils in it, so totally glad to have that in the collection. This one was odd, man. What was Web of Spider-Man 2 doing in there? That's kind of a, I don't know, dude. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Man, that's good condition. Yeah. I don't know. I saw it. Web of Spider-Man 2. Like, I don't have it, so it's cool to have it, man. It'd be good to have in the collection. I saw this bad boy. I believe this is the last one. Yeah, Magneto. It's a foil. I think a very fine copy was going for, oh man, $640 on mycomicshop.com. I don't know. This one's, yeah, it's got some color breaking, but I don't know. It's cool to have a zero. I totally dig that. And, you know, I'll start reading it. So there's a lot of different artists. Yeah, I've never even seen this. That's what's cool about Buck sales. You get into stuff that you know, you try new stuff. See what's going on. Oh, the last but not least. This was my coup de grace, and I'll tell you why. When I was a little kid, I had this one. Don't have the one I had, but been looking for it for a little while in the comic shop because they have a bunch of Micronauts. And I totally found it, man. I was totally jazzed. It's the issue where they fight the man thing. And I totally remember this. Oh, yeah. Just like it was yesterday. But they like get into it with the man thing. And that's good artwork. And there's one scene I totally remember. And I read this thing over and over. They, yeah, man, they get him behind one of those boats. I forget the name of them. Man, they give him the business plat. Totally. I don't know. It's one of those books, you know, when you're growing up and you have a book and you're just reading it all the time, over and over again. But yeah, man, love dollar sales like that. You know, like I said, they don't have like a big dollar bin section, so it's cool to mix it up. Yeah, pretty nice. Shout out to Barry and get that.